What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could boost your energy, burn fat faster, sleep deeper, and feel better than you have in years? Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful daily habits that can transform your health, even if you're starting from zero. Welcome to Daily Health Evolution, where we help you build a healthier body, a sharper mind, and a stronger lifestyle. If you're serious about your well-being, hit subscribe. New videos weekly. Habit 1. Drink water first thing. Rehydrates your body and boosts metabolism. Habit 2. Do a 15-minute morning stretch. Improves blood flow, posture, and flexibility. Habit 3. Eat protein with every meal. Controls hunger and supports muscle growth. Habit 4. Walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps daily. Improves cardio, fat loss, and heart strength. Habit 5. Prioritize quality sleep over long sleep. 7 deep hours beat 9 poor. Habit 6. Add greens to one meal daily. Even one bowl boosts digestion and immunity. Habit 7. Reduce sugar intake gradually. Don't quit. Cut slowly for sustainable change. Habit 8. Meditate 5 to 10 minutes. Lower stress means better health and decisions. Habit 9. Track what you eat. Not to restrict, just to understand your habits. Habit 10. Get 10 minutes of sunlight. Boost vitamin D, mood, and metabolism naturally. If you commit to these habits for 30 days, you won't just feel different, you will look different. Comment, "I'm starting today," if you're ready for your health evolution. Like, subscribe, and share to inspire more people.